No matter what you do in life, you will experience fatigue, muscle soreness, and stress at some point, whether you're an athlete or a busy professional. But here's the good news. Tess Recovery Experience Package can help you tackle all of these. Experience fast recovery with ice bath and sauna setups, right in the comfort of your home or office. Recharge your body with IV drips such as NAD+ and amino acid wherever you are. Release tension and restore balance with our expert sports massages. Fuel your goals with personalized nutrition and supplementation plans designed for your body's unique needs. Understand how your body responds to exercise and nutrition through genetic ability testing. Experience this ultimate recovery package, delivered wherever you need them. Bounce back better, because you deserve it.